reka numve yuko udashobora kuba umpenze ngira ndagusabe ibintu bitatu niki ndagusabe umbwire umuryango mu cyongereza ubimbwire no mu kirundi ince ndayemera kuzi ko mu rw'icyongereza
nyokuru godmother sokuru godfather papa father mama mother mushikanje my little sister musaza wanje my little brother cyangwa my older brother.
Okay, aho ndemeye ngira ndakubaza kandi kantu kamwe umbwire ku bihimba bigize umubiri ibi bihimba by'inyuma bigize umubiri w'umuntu mu rurimi rw'icyongereza.
Umutwe head, inda stomach, umugongo back, amaboko arms, amaguru legs.
Okay, nuko ndabona yuko icyongereza urakizi cyane ariko wewe ikintu biti chese urakizi?
Ego.
Urashobora kwivuga amazina cyangwa ukavuga ichese?
Ego ndabizi.
Ngira ndagusabe umponje ichese mu rurimi rw'icyongereza uce unambwira mu rurimi rw'ikirundi kugira ngo abariko baradukurikirana niki bumve neza yuko icyongereza ucyumva bace banavyumva no mu kirundi kugira ngo batahure ibyo uzobuvuze. Reka duhere mu rurimi rw'icyongereza.
Oh, you my fellow companion in everything under the sky that scale is azure. Whether you are young or old, I kindly ask you, come, let's walk together. Come, let's go together. Where I was shown is greater than what I was told. I don't know exactly where we're heading, but if it's for good or brilliant, let's move. If you have a knowledge, bring it. If you have a gift, use it. Your talent is not same as mine, but still come, let's go together. What you are is the path. Come, let's go together where we amazed the world and that used to criticize and speak hero brilliant. They lived careless with thinking couldn't make it, but light proved them that you can. Let's go tell them never underestimate us. Come, let's unity our willpower so it's part to change our behavior. The destination we're heading is not a dream. It's not fantasy. Of the pastoral lives, all even current one share that ship with. Russia this fought and reach the vision. To understand that like I do, don't hesitate. Come with me. It's not too far for those who are willing, and it's not secret for those who are resist. To understand, come with me. It doesn't require to change a place, but to change our mind is set and embrace unity. And if even the leaders and those in power improve, no one will compete in a list in developments. I'm a voice of tomorrow, reaching beyond border. I call on all, bring down two lives together. Let's stop corruption and be a trust hero. Let's put justice and integrity first. Unity is our hero. Talent is a gift. Knowledge is in the path to progress. Let's have it to grow from our feet and time to build strong infrastructure and open up to the world. Let's strive for peace and trust among us. May 2040 to 2016 not be dream, but our reality. Before we head there, let's get know each other. Me, I'm the Peter Vision of the future. I take on the key first. Branch of Nashati, great grandson of Nexa, grandson of our hero Peter Nkurunziza. Son of excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye. So now how should I consider you? Thank you very much. God bless you.
Okay, niki mu rurimi rw'icyongereza ndemeye. Mu rurimi rw'icyongereza ndemeye mugabo numvisemwo bike nabigusabye kuza kumbwira mu rurimi rw'ikirundi. Urashobora kukambwira mu rurimi rw'ikirundi kugira ngo nabo ariko baradukurikirana niki bashobore kumva mbega wari kuravuga ngo iki mu busanzwe mu rurimi rw'ikirundi.
Yeah, umuntu sangiye byose mwe mugongo duhetse twese wa muto cyangwa uri muninda kwinginze ngwino tujane iyo neretswe mbona harenze ko ntabwiyo tujana sinzi kwazi niho abarundi bifasha niho abarundi bateye imbere sinzi icyo ntuzi icyo ndefise umenye nkagira ubundi impano yawe sinayo yanje naho biri uko ngwino tujane cyo turi twese niyo nzira.